Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel SSC Aspirants Lalit Thakur. So this is the session the Hindu vocabulary for beginners by Lalit Thakur. Please subscribe the channel and like video and share this video. So we are going to learn five caps, some phrasal verb and some one word substitution. After that, we will do reading article practice also. This is advanced feature in this class that is we are adding here. So let me start without time wasting. So today we have first word that is vitiate. Vitiate means to spoil or impair the quality. It means दूषित करना और बिगाड़ देना. Synonyms: impair, corrupt, taint. And antonyms: improve, purity, strengthen. These all are antonyms of it. And example, that is procedural lapses may vitiate the legitimacy of the entire process. Vitiate means to spoil or impair the quality. Next one, that is we have diffident. Diffidence means lacking confidence. जिसके पास कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी होती है, जैसे संकोची, आत्मविश्वास की कमी वाला. डिफिडेंट, अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट कैसे. सिनोनिम्स हो जाएगा टिमिड, डरपोक, हेजिटेट, हिचकिचाहट, साई, शर्मीला. एंटोनिम्स: कॉन्फिडेंस, आत्मविश्वास, असर्टिव, सत्ता, बोल्ड, बहादुर, ब्रेव, बहादुर. एंड इसका हो जाएगा अंडर confident. Okay, an example that is a diffident presentation can undermine even well researched arguments. Next one we have that is prohibitive. Prohibitive means so high as to prevent action. It means अत्यधिक महंगा और बाधक. Synonyms: excessive, restrictive, costly. These all are मतलब जो ये वर्ड महंगे के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. अत्यधिक महंगा और बाधक, जिसको हम खरीद ना सकते हैं, which is not affordable. Okay. And antonyms: affordable, reasonable, moderate. These all are antonyms of it. So example: prohibitive, cost, discouraged small enterprises from expanding operations. This is example. Next one we have that is enigmatic. Enigmatic means होता है meaning difficult to interpret. It means understand, difficult to understand. आप ट्रियूस बोल सकते हैं, एनेग्मेटिक, रहस्यमय, मिस्टीरियस जैसे बोलते हैं. मिस्टीरियस सिनोनिम्स में भी है गूढ़ हिंदी में, और रहस्यमय. जैसे ये रानी है तो ये मिस्टीरियस है, ये किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रही है, या एनेग्मेटिक है. तो मिस्टीरियस, क्रिप्टिक, पजलिंग. दीज आर सिनोनिम्स. एंड एंटोनिम्स that is clear, explicit, transparent. This is antonyms. And example: the leader's enigmatic silence fueled widespread speculation. This is example. And next one we have that is audacious. Audacy means stubborn resistance to change, जैसे मतलब हठ धर्मिता, अड़ियलपन, stubborn like that. Synonyms: stubbornness, rigidity, intelligence, and antonyms: flexibility, openness, adaptability. So this is antonyms. And example, that is autocracy on both sides prevented a timely resolution of the dispute. It is example. We have done our five vocabs. Now we are learn some phrasal verb or one word substitution. I don't know exactly. It will one word substitution. So that is, this is very for one word substitution very most necessary for which we should learn. Varlesque. Varlesque means excreted imitation. It means example है the show was worlds of modern life. Okay. And next is travesty. Travesty means होता है absurd imitation or misrepresentation. Okay. Example, the trial was a travesty of justice. Next is caricature. Caricature means exaggerated drawing or writing. Example, the cartoonist drew a caricature of the PM. Okay. Next is grotesque. Grotesque में absurd, distorted figure. It means the grotesque statue shocked viewer. Now we are learning for phrasal verb. That is most important. First one, put out. Put out means extinguish, inconvenience. The fire was put out quickly. Okay. And next one is stand down. Stand down means withdraw या resign. जैसे withdraw means निकालना, resign माने किसी चीज को बाहर करना. ठीक है. He decided to stand down from the position. जैसे उसने डिसाइड किया कि वो अपनी जो जॉब कर रहा है उसको वो रिजाइन देगा, यानी स्टैंड डाउन करेगा उस पोजीशन से. नेक्स्ट है ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड. इट मीन्स पर्पस मूव अर्लियर. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल है द मीटिंग वाज ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड बाय अ डे. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज टेक डाउन. टेक डाउन मीन्स राइट, डिसमेंटल. ओके. एंड एग्जाम्पल है he took down my statement carefully. So we had done today 5 vocabs and 4 one word substitution and 4 phrasal verbs. Now we are going to reading article. Article for reading. So heading is Bridging the Gulf on India defense ties with Gulf nations. Okay. So let me start. So that is the nearly 2 hours visit of UAE President and ruler of Abu Dhabi Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan MBZ to Delhi on Monday, with only one meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, ended with a number of far-reaching outcomes. The UAE is India's third largest trading partner, its second biggest export destination, seventh biggest foreigner investor, and concluded its first bilateral trade agreement with India in 2022. The agreements on Monday focused on the economic partnership, a commitment to double bilateral trade to $200 billion and LNG deal for $3 billion and UAE investment in Gujarat. However, the major announcement was the intentions to conclude a framework agreement for an India UAE strategic defense partnership, the first of its kind. Details are still to be revealed. However, it is clear that West Asia and South Asia will be watching closely given the complicated security environment in both regions. MBZ's southern India visit came at amidst heightened tensions between the UAE and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Both countries were once part of the same military coalition against the Houthi uprising in 2014. Their power tussle has also intensified over forces in southern and the lack of communication between MBZ and Saudi leader Mohammed bin Salman MBS is now being called the Gulf region's new Cold War. In addition, protests in Iran and US threats to intervene as well as the denounce Gaza ceasefire and US President Donald Trump's plan for World of Peace have led or concern about internal and external instability. Israelis bombing in Qatar in September 2025 that led by the Saudi government to rush a mutual defense pact with Pakistan and reported negotiation of including Turkey in the pact portend a more complex and unstable region with repercussions for India. The announcement of the UAE India negotiations for our defense agreement is being read by some as a possible military front to counter other regional elements. Foreign Secretary Bikram Misri attempted to downplay concern, holding that the treaty was not about India's involvement in a hypothetical future scenario in the region. Even so, the government must keep in mind ties not only with the UAE but also other important Gulf region countries where nearly 10 million Indians reside. The GCC area is a major energy sources, especially as US and EU sanctions have curtailed all of India's other important sources. India's cross-regional interconnectivity plans through Iran's Chabahar port, the international north-south transport corridor, and the India Middle East Europe economic corridor have been imperiled due to all the tensions as their future depends on cooperation with all players there, with important relationship in the region and so many faultiness within it. India has little option but to tread lightly. I hope you have understand all things and thank you for watching.